Hey guys, we're super excited to bring you an option that we have not got to feature in a while. It's geared more toward the fun side of life. You work hard all week, you want to go play on the weekends, we got you covered. It's a signature option that Diamond C ran for many years. If you guessed BiFold gate, bingo, you got it right. Let's go take a look. Back in the summer of 2021, when we were designing the all-new GTF, we had several requests for a gate option on it to where it could be dual purpose and be able to haul side-by-sides, UTVs, things of that nature. And so we thought it only appropriate to use the BiFold gate. The cool thing about the BiFold being that it folds in half, you don't have a tall gate sticking up for wind drag, and then it also looks a lot more low profile and sleek. The operation is super user-friendly. As you just open the outer half, then we unpin each side. And it's spring assist. So you can see when the gate is down in the loading position, it's a nice gradual loading approach from the ground to the deck. Something that aids in that is the GTF is standard with 4-inch drop axles, which keeps the deck low to the ground, low profile. Even for when you're hauling, say, a zero-turn mower, it keeps your deck plenty of clearance so it doesn't hang up over the transition from the gate to the deck. One cool thing that I like about the GTF is the tie-down system. It's a formed rub rail tie-down, so you've got these slotted tie-down spots for your ATV straps like we have here that you can hook, pull into the front of the back. Also, you have the stake pocket holes where you can use your formed flat strap or flat hook straps as well. Probably the biggest standout feature on the GTF is the front tongue area. We integrated the same technology that we've run on the LPX and the HDT for years with the HD lid design. So this area you can see is extended deck space to be able to haul a small generator, maybe a job box, things like that to the trails or to go to the racetrack. You can haul extra cargo up here that normally this is void space. But the cool thing is it doubles as storage area inside. Right now I've got an extra package of straps in there, but you could haul a quart of oil, blocks of wood, maybe extra straps, anything you need you could haul in there, but then it's also lockable out of the way. Also, it comes with a winch mount standard so that you can mount your winch in case you need to be able to pull up down side-by-sides, a down small car. Battery goes dead, you break an axle shaft out on the trail, you can pull it up no problem. Also, the box is deep enough where you can feed your power from your winch into the box and mount a battery inside. It also comes with 4 360-degree D-rings for extra tie down, and it's pre-punched so you can put a rock shield on it after the fact, or an air dam as some call it. Another cool feature of the GTF is the extra long deck step. It provides a good, solid footing when you're stepping up onto the trailer to access your cargo. It's good and deep, and it gives you a good amount of movement to the front and the back to access the deck. The last feature we're going to highlight is the aluminum wheel package. If you like to spice it up a little bit, maybe you got a super cool side-by-side or a good looking truck and you want to build your trailer to complement those, you can always throw the aluminum wheels on it, kind of dresses it up a little bit. Still very functional, easy to clean, lightweight, makes your rig really stand out. As I mentioned in the intro, we are super pumped to bring back an option to help you have a good time. Jump on diamondc.com. There you can build a GTF to fit the lifestyle you live and the fun you want to have.